welcome back. If you are new here, my name's Amber and this is About That Mama Life. On my channel, we talk about all things beauty related, from nails to skincare, makeup, and everything in between. I do tutorials, product reviews, and even some DIY projects and some recipes now and then. You really get it all on my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the Dashing Diva nail guards. If you love doing your nails, like I do, but hate soaking them off in acetone, then you've probably been searching for an alternative. And there are a few things out there. You've got your peel bases, but let's be honest, the struggle can be real with peel base. Either you're sitting there fighting to get the nails off and end up breaking one, been there, or you just did your best manicure yet and a nail pops off an hour later, been there too. So, are these gonna be the answer that we've all been searching for? You're gonna have to wait and see. So this video is going to be part one in a two-part series on the Dashing Diva nail guards. And in this video, I'm also going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you stay tuned to the end so you can find out how to win some Dashing Diva nail guards of your own. Let's get into it. So I have soaked off my dip powder, I have natural nails, and I have these Dashing Diva nail guards. I got these on their website. It was $4 a pack, and you get 3 applications per pack. So that's pretty much a steal. I got these on dashingdiva.com, and then the 2 packs and the nail buffer. I wasn't super impressed with that. I would pass on that one. So these are supposed to be kind of like peel base, where you put it on your nails and then you're able to just pop your mani off after you are done wearing it and you're ready for a change. It's supposed to last up to 14 days. So what you're going to want to do is kind of measure against your nail before you start peeling it off. You want it to cover your nail fully without touching any of the skin. You just peel it off from the perforated strip there, and then you're going to remove the white paper backing, exposing the sticky part of the nail strip. You are then going to line it up as close to your cuticle as possible and then press down right in the center of your nail. That's going to put the sticky part of the cuticle guard against your nail, and then you just kind of press down firmly and smooth it out. Once you've got it adhered to your nail, you're going to want to take that plastic film off the top. And then I just kind of smoothed it out a little bit. Now I did use a cuticle pusher to try to flatten it out on the first 2 nails, and then I found that it didn't really work as good as just laying down my finger and pressing down on it. So I gave up on that pretty quickly, but I thought I'd leave that in just to kind of show you what I tinkered around with the first couple of nails I was trying. I just kind of fold it under my nail, and then I grab a trusty old file and start filing off any of the excess that's hanging off the edges of my nail. This really was an easy process. Once I got the first 2 fingers under my belt, so to speak, I had the process down, I felt comfortable, and it's pretty easy. So I'm just peeling off that excess, and then I felt some resistance, so thought I'd play it safe and file it off. I didn't want to pull it and risk damaging the nail guard. So here we have the thumbnail complete. I'm just pulling off an extra little piece that didn't come off on the file, and making sure that it's nice and secure. And then I'm just filing off any little excess that was just kind of hanging off around the edges. I wanted to make sure it was a nice clean application and everything stuck down to my nail really well. I'm just brushing off any excess and making sure that's nice and stuck. There's one down compared to my natural nail. And there's a close-up of the nail guard. Alright, we're going to get into the next nail. Same thing, you're just going to want to measure first, make sure that it's going to cover your nail fully but not touch the skin. Once you found the one that's going to fit your nail, you just tear it off from the perforated edge, right down the middle there. It's a pretty easy process here. Pull the white sticker off, align it up with your nail. You're going to want to get it as close to that cuticle as possible because you want it to cover the entire nail here. And what I found to be the easiest process, once you have it lined up, press down right in the center. And you can see I kind of messed up here. I didn't get it set down and it didn't come on center. So that's okay. I just kind of pressed it down, took the film off, and then I was able to pull up on it, just kind of readjust it. These are really pretty easy to work with. They're pretty forgiving. And once you have gotten the first couple down, you'll feel a lot more comfortable with it. If you've ever used any kind of stick-on nail product like Color Street or any of the nail decals, then this is the same process. Peel, stick, file off. It doesn't get much easier than that. As far as the time it took me, when I do peel base, I usually use the peel base and put it on all of my nails. It takes about 10 minutes to fully dry, and I think that I got these on all of my fingers in about 10 minutes. So I would say so far, as far as ease of use and time that it takes to apply, they're pretty much hand in hand with the peel base. I'm just going to go ahead and speed through the rest of these fingers because all we're doing is measuring, sticking, filing, and moving on to the next nail. So here we go, press down, smooth everything down the center, then the sides, file off any excess. We're going to go ahead and do that last nail. Same process. Sticking it down and making sure it's nice and secure. And then just file off around those edges. And here they are. So here's all the nails on my first hand. And I wanted to show you all the dip powder I decided to go with. This is Pocahontas's Glass Slippers from Sparkle & Co. And look at how beautiful this is. It is a gold shimmer with teal flakes. How pretty. So I did all of my nails in this color, and this is what they turned out with. I felt like it applied really easily. It was easy to work with. It's not thick or chunky, and it was just really quite easy to use. I'm just kind of showing you all the angles, and I just kind of pushed down on them to show you they felt nice and secure, and they didn't feel like they were going to pop off at all.
So final thoughts. I really like these. I thought they were easy to apply. They went on well. They created an even surface when applying my base coat before dipping. They didn't cause any issues in the dipping process, and they feel very secure. So will they last? That's the big question. You guys are going to have to stay tuned to my part 2 where I give you the nitty-gritty on did they work as they claim to and what we've all been searching for. You'll have to stay tuned to find out. But I have a little giveaway for y'all. So what are you going to win? Dashing Diva nail guard, your own pack. What comes in the pack? Enough to do 3 manicures. Water decals for your nails, and a little Sparkle & Co. gift baggie with a dip powder and some other goodies in it. So, how do you enter? First, be subscribed to this channel. First thing you're gonna do, turn the phone this way, make sure that you're subscribed to this channel. Then, click the drop down box and you will find links to my Instagram. follow that link and make sure that you are following me on Instagram. Then come back to this video and make sure you leave me a comment on your biggest struggles using dip powder so far. And that's it. Easy. I'll be picking one of you to win and shipping this out to you. Unfortunately, with shipping costs, I can only offer this to the United States this time. Thank you all for being such loyal subscribers, and I just love y'all so much. Stay tuned for part 2 of this video, where I'm going to be showing you if these really work and my final thoughts on the Dashing Diva nail guards. So far, definitely like them. Totally worth the $4. And I have some other really cool giveaways coming up soon, so make sure you stay tuned for those. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.